Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so let's make some shrimp ramen noodle stir fry. Shrimp vegetable ramen noodle stir fry. Okay? Alright, you know you like the ramen noodles. Alright, give it a thumbs up, share the video, check out my links below. Let's do it. Thanks. And I'm glad to be back, guys. I was down for a few days and I feel a little better today, and I'm happy to be here to serve you. Okay, let's do it. Okay, guys. So I have 10 jumbo shrimp. This is about a half of a red sweet pepper, and this is 2 flowers of broccoli, like 2 of the flowers. This is about 1/4 cup of scallions, a cup of mushrooms, package of ramen noodles. Alright, so I already put adobo and black pepper on the shrimp. Let's start there. Okay. Okay, I'm going to give the shrimp 1 more minute. Then I'm going to take the shrimp out and we're going to put in our broccoli and our vegetables. Just flip this over one last time. Okay, we're good with the shrimp. I'm going to take them out. When the shrimp turn orange, you know they're done. Okay? Okay, let's add our vegetables. The red peppers, broccoli, scallions, and mushrooms. going to cover that so that it will cook faster. Okay, and after I cook the vegetables, I'm going to take the vegetables out, and then we're going to cook the noodles, and then I'll incorporate everything back together, okay? Okay, why don't I give you the word of the day? The word of the day. The word of the day is, you only have one set of hands, one set of feet. You have a few parts here and there on the body. Let's face it, you have all your parts on your body. Well, just remember that if it wasn't for the right hand, you couldn't help the left hand. If it wasn't for the right foot, it couldn't help the left foot when you walk. So you get my point? My point is, cherish all of you. That's the word of the day. Cherish all of you. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to take the vegetables out. Here's the vegetables. Alright, I'm going to add some water right to the same frying pan. I don't want to wash it because I want the flavor from the shrimp and the vegetables to incorporate onto the ramen noodles, okay? So I'm going to put some water in there. Okay, I'm going to turn my fire back on. Okay, that's about 1.25 cups of water. This is my package of ramen noodles. just breaking up the noodles without adding more water. There we go. Okay, I need to add water because my water is all gone. So I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of water more. So now that's a total of 1.5 cups of water. Okay, let's cover that. Then I'm going to add it was a package of chicken broth in the package with the ramen noodles. I'm going to add this to the entire dish once I incorporate it together. Okay, this is going to be a nice, quick meal for me tonight. It is good enough for one person. If you want two, you can just add more noodles. Now I want to taste the noodle, make sure it's done. Not quite. I'm adding another 1/4 cup of water. So that's 1 3/4 cup of water that I have used to cook the ramen noodles. Okay. I think in another minute I should be good. Yep, the noodles have doubled in size. Okay, so now let's add our vegetables and our shrimp. Now I'm going to add the chicken seasoning, the chicken broth, the package that came with the noodles. And I'm going to add some pepper. Oh wow, does that look good. Okay, let me plate it up and show you. Okay guys, look at that. How about that, huh? Alright, let me taste that for you. Okay guys, let's see. The noodles and vegetables. And the shrimp. The shrimp is perfectly cooked. The flavor of this dish is out of this world. You are going to love this one. This could be a regular. Why not? Okay? Love you. Bye-bye.